Thanks for stopping by to see what I'm up to today. It is way past time to do a video. Some of you know the green ham machine. My trailer is one of my main ways to do ham radio. I use my pickup truck, which I call the front office, to pull the green ham machine. When I hitch the green ham machine, it tends to sag a bit. So getting helpers or airbags on the front office, my pickup truck, was a priority. That's why this video is both ham radio adjacent and informative to anyone who likes DIY. I texted a couple of friends looking for a place where I could work on my truck, and I didn't want to hog their driveway, although I've done that at Jason's house. I was looking for a do-it-yourself shop, place where maybe people were learning welding and there was a yard or a shop available. And thanks to Jeremy, I found a place that has bays, tools, and lifts. The shop DIY garage was open to give every owner the space and tools they need to do routine and complex maintenance. With shop prices being upwards of $145, you can do your own work for a fraction of the cost. And guys like me who like to work on their cars, although the HOAs hate it, can go there and get the job done. As soon as you get there, you're presented with a plethora of tools, standard and non-standard. They put the truck up on the lift for you, and you can get right to work. First thing I had to do was get rid of those jounce bumpers. This is not going to be a video about how to install these. There are 1.5 million videos doing just that. This is just a video about my experience with this shop and getting this job done. It was easy enough once it was up off the ground, although this could be done while it was sitting on the ground. You just have to slide under there. At $50 an hour, you do the math. Again, shop prices being anywhere from $145 and up, or $50 to do it yourself if you don't have that facility to do it in your own driveway. There's a good chance I spent more than I might have spent to have someone install it, but put a price on fun. For these last couple of months, the green ham machine has been in storage. Hopefully in the next video, I'll be able to talk about getting the green ham machine back up and running. Thanks for stopping by.